Up next, we're going to look at the SQL update and delete statements, the final two operations in the CRUD acronym that we have. So we have update and delete. First, the update statement required is the keyword update that indicates you want to change the data that already exists in a table. Table references the name of the table you would like to update or the names of the tables you would like to update. Typically, though, you would only update a single table at a time. Next, also required is the set keyword, which denotes that you want to set a particular thing in the table. The assignment list is a comma-separated list that is in the form of a column name equals a value. That value can be from another column. It can be a literal value like a string in single quotes. It could be a date in single quotes. It could be an integer, or it could be a floating point number or a decimal number. The where clause is optional, and it allows you to specify which data within that table you want to change. If you do not include a where clause, every single row in the table will be updated, which sometimes is an okay thing to do, but you should be very clear on whether or not you want to update every row or you would like to update only a subset of the rows. The where condition is the logical expressions that must evaluate to true for a row to be updated. And again, we'll look at examples of these. Order by is something that MySQL allows you to do, and it says that you can specify the order in which rows are updated. It's not typically used, and when it is used, it's used in conjunction with the limit operation, which is also part of the update statement. So typically, though, you will not use order by in an update. The delete statement is next, and the keyword delete is required and indicates that you want to remove data that already exists within a table. Then you optionally can use the keyword ignore. By using ignore, it informs MySQL to ignore any errors that can be passed over and just return them as warnings instead of errors. So it allows you to proceed without failing in the system itself. From table name is also required. From indicates the table from which you wish to remove the rows, and table name is the name of the table to delete the rows from. Optionally, you can put the keyword as followed by any table alias you want to specify an alias for more complex deletion operations. And that might be useful in the where clause, which is next. The where clause allows you to specify which rows you want to delete using the where condition. And while it is optional, just like the update statement, you want to be sure that you're not deleting all of the records versus deleting only the records that you intend to delete. So in the next video, we'll show some examples of how to do these things.